And I think a lot of people maybe were surprised to find out when they called their mortgage lender the next day, hey, what happened? What's my rate today? And they said,
Right.
well, it didn't really improve. And the question is, well, why not? The Fed just lowered rates. Um, and we try to say a lot, that the Fed doesn't control those mortgage rates; they control these short-term rates. And going into a Fed meeting, where everybody was widely anticipating them doing this, that's why rates have been getting better since May. And so, they did what they were expected to do. And then usually what happens is the reason that, yeah, so if they do something that's unexpected, that can lead to rates getting better or worse. In this case, they did exactly what was expected. And then what usually happens is what they say can drive rates one way or the other. And I think what, and so one of the things that they look at is this thing called the dot plot, which basically the Fed governors kind of reveal their cards and show what they anticipate the future pace of rate hikes or not to be.
Right.
And that looked pretty good at first. So the market, when it first, the announcement first came out, rates got better for 10 seconds.
Right. Right.
And then when Jerome Powell started speaking, he kind of painted, because I think that the market first thought, hey, all right, we know there's two more cuts coming here before the end of the year, and they were trying to already kind of bake that in. It's already baked in to some degree, but it seemed like it was more certain. Then Jerome Powell gets into the press conference and he kind of tamps down on that a little bit and says, "Hey, nothing is for certain. We are really not maybe as concerned about the employment situation. We think that that's pretty strong, but we're going to have to monitor the reports that come out, and everything that we do from here on out is going to be data dependent. So the idea of hey, we definitely got two more rate cuts coming." He kind of poo-pooed that a little bit, and so the rates didn't really respond, favorably, and so they didn't really get worse. I mean, maybe a little bit,
Right.
but the improvement that would happen when the first release came out quickly evaporated.